In previous lecture, we learned about item cards. I showed you how to deal with item and its ledgers. So we looked through some item ledger entries. In this lecture, I will tell you about basic inventory processes. We will start from purchase. We will go through item journals and make some sales at the end. We will use the item we created in the previous lecture. So let's start from purchase order. We can find it in purchasing, order processing, and purchase orders. Purchase order is a document on the purchase side that can be used for creating both warehouse document and financial document. We can create receipt, so this is putting items on the stock, and we can post an invoice, so we will put the values on the stock. Using only warehouse document, we don't put values on GL accounts. So let's create new purchase order. We will pick one of our vendors. System is taking all the data from the vendor, so we have contact information. We have, of course, some invoice details and posting groups connected with posting settings, as well as payment terms. All this information is taken as a default from vendor card. In lines, we can use GL account or item. We will use item because we want to buy some new items. I will take our testing chair for blue location with quantity of 100. We don't have to put the price, unit costs, because we will only post warehouse documents, so we don't need financial information for now. User decide what quantity will be received in quantity received to received column. Quantity received is controlled by the system, so if we post purchase receipt, system will move the quantity into quantity received. In this case, you can decide what quantity you will receive. You can take less, and of course you can post as many receipts as you want from one purchase order. And the same for the invoices. You decide in quantity to invoice what quantities needs to be invoiced in this one posting. So let's first try to receive 10. We can go with post, receive,